Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a WeatherGuard 42-inch wide shelf door. Let's get into it. All right, this is a shelf door to be installed on a 42-inch wide shelving unit from WeatherGuard, and that is essentially how you buy it. Is you buy it by the width. So they have this for the 42, the 52, 60-inch, and so on. All the different sizes that essentially give you a lockable storage compartment in your shelf. So go ahead and unbox this now. So I always like seeing things like this inside the box. This is just dunnage or things that prevent it from shifting around, bending, things like that. So this is a nice tight fit in the box. So likelihood of damage is low. Now, of course, shipping pieces of steel in paper cardboard boxes is always problematic sometimes, especially when it gets thrown by package handlers and things like that. The great thing about buying from Upfit Supplies, we have our Upfit Shield guarantee. So if something does arrive damaged, take care of it 100%. You're not gonna be stuck with it. Here on top, we're going to have our installation instructions. This is just kind of a one-pager with some warnings and things on it. And there's gonna be a QR code that you wanna scan on how to exactly install this. So as I take this out of the box here, one thing to note on the back of this, on the mechanism, we have wire-tied our keys. You get two of them. This is RH01 on it. That is your key code. On the box here, if you find your WeatherGuard label, right down here it's gonna say key number 01. It's the same key code. It's also stamped on the lock cylinder itself, stamped on the key. And a lot of the WeatherGuard accessories like this use the same key, that RH01. So you've got multiple shelf doors, drawers, even your partition, door handle, all gonna use the same key. So after installing this, you might end up having like 4, 6, 8 keys. Another thing about this is it does have the built-in hinge right here. So it's gonna cut down on assembly, already welded or something onto the panel itself. And then you're just going to attach to some pre-existing holes on the shelf itself right there. And you can see kind of how it works. This latches essentially behind the lip of the shelf. Above, actually, I believe it's this part that acts as a latching mechanism right there. And you're gonna clear it, it'll drop forward. These do open kind of like an underbody toolbox, so the door is gonna drop down. You're gonna have these little wire cables right here that are attached to the edge of the shelf that are gonna kind of stabilize the shelf so you can get your full 90 right there. It's not just gonna flop down on the shelf itself. So this is in that bright white finish, completely matches the shelving unit itself. One thing you're gonna want to purchase if you get this, to make this shelf fully enclosed, the back of the WeatherGuard shelves actually don't have a back panel there. So, if you install this on the front, the back would be open for you to kind of reach behind and so on and so forth. So if you want it fully enclosed, make sure you get the matching back panel to go with it. So if you're putting this on a 42-inch wide shelf, you're gonna get the 42-inch wide shelf door and the 42-inch wide back panel. In terms of our installation hardware, a couple of brackets here. I believe these go kind of on the side. If you're interested in how this gets installed, we're gonna have another video of installing this on some shelving in the van behind me. Be sure to check that out. Again, right here, I think this interfaces with the latch up top. Do have some foam right here. This is gonna help cut down on road noise. If you're going over bumps and you got the steel on steel, it's gonna cut down on that noise. And then we have a handful of hardware here, washers, bolts, lock nuts. But pretty simple install. Again, look at that one page, scan that QR code for exactly how to install that. WeatherGuard makes it nice and simple to give you step-by-step how to install this on the shelving unit. Now, great thing about WeatherGuard products is they do have a lifetime warranty, so you're gonna be covered for the long haul from any defects, anything like that. It's not gonna fail on you. You're gonna be covered by that warranty. Now, if you're looking for this accessory or you're looking for the WeatherGuard shelves or partitions or ladder racks or anything else to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.